Making a key for a 2025 Acura MDX. This car smells good. You bought the Faraday pouch?
Yes, sir.
Cool. See, look at this inside of the car, bro.
It's very nice.
Got a wireless charger. Like, look. How big the screen is. See that shit?
You said hi to me.
You can take the plastic off.
Fresh off the factory, bro.
I told you, bro. I know my shit, bro.
Oh, my dumbass tried to unlock the van with that. What color you think? Silver, black?
Silver or black?
Make sure I got that the right way. Nice. Not a much better day than that.
I'm gonna write you the receipt right now.
All right, thanks.
I'll take care of it. Have a great day.
Alrighty.